haven't got a rolling pin. Really? Hey everyone, welcome back. So what we've got here today is this no stress, no mess puzzle saver. So I don't really like jigsaw puzzles, but previously on a loot crate I got this bad boy here, this Rick and Morty puzzle, which I absolutely love. It's fantastic. Love it, love it, love it. But my problem being is I had to make it in this lid of this box, and now at the minute it's just stuck in the lid of this box. And my girlfriend was like, hey, why don't you get one of those puzzle saving things? So that's what I got. I've got no idea how this works. I got a really nice email from the people I bought it from Amazon. We're like, hey, thanks for supporting us, guys. Thanks for bringing us some, buying our product. It's kind of like an indie product. So, come and leave a review for us. It was quite nice. It was a nice touch. It was apparently somebody claiming to be the director of the company. Let's see what it's all about. So, apparently, no stress, no mess. Say goodbye to puzzle glue. It's supposed to do 2 times 1,000 puzzle pieces. So this is a 300 puzzle. So there's definitely going to be ample here. I've got no idea how it works. I'm assuming that it's going to be able to get this sorted. That's why it's in here, because most people build the jigsaw into something. You can't build a jigsaw in reverse, obviously. So let's just get this open. I'm going to carefully open the box in case the box is used as a way to actually transfer the jigsaw, because I'm assuming the jigsaw needs to be flipped upside down to actually use this. Ooh, ripped it. Some hanging things. I've used 3M sticky stuff, that's quite good. Peel off back here, remove from. Oh my god. Are these all exactly? This is. Are they all? Right, let's get rid of the box. These are all exactly the same. Peel off backing, peel off backing. So let's read. So flip your assembled puzzle over so the back is okay. So that is the first problem with this product, is that it wants me to flip the jigsaw so that it's face with the picture side down. So that's a problem. What would have been nice is some way to actually get this jigsaw the other way round. Just bear with me, I need to grab something. So we've got the other box lid. I was hoping it was going to fit inside that. Bars. Do these? See, my problem being is, if I try and flip this out, it's probably going to go everywhere, isn't it? Oh, I'm just going to go for it really fast and hope that this isn't the end of the video. Oh, damn it. So, okay, I've done it. Okay, so the picture is now face down. So that's a really big issue with this product actually, and is that you've got to have your jigsaw like this. That's stupid. Let's be fair. You're not going to build your jigsaw backwards with no picture on it whatsoever. Anyway, so we recommend sandwiching the puzzle in between 2 pieces of cardboard and flipping it over onto its back. If any pieces come loose, simply replace them before step 2. Oh yeah, because I know exactly where a piece goes when all is grey. Okay, anyway, with the picture side down, lay out the permanent adhesive sheet on the puzzle back to see how many I will need to apply them to. Is that 2? I reckon I can get away with 2 there. You'll be able to preserve 1 to 2 300 or 500 piece puzzles, or 1,000 piece. Wait a second here. So it says on here, just here, or 1,000 piece puzzle with the materials enclosed. This says 2 1,000. So what? It's false advertising, man. Come on. Done in minutes. I think not. Okay, anyway. Peel off the adhesive backing, so whereabouts? Okay, so that's the backing, presumably. So it looks like, well, I need a rolling pin. I haven't got a rolling pin, really? Improvise, foil. Okay, do not extend adhesive sheets beyond puzzle edges. Keep the adhesive edge away from what? 0.3 centimeters away from the puzzle edge. So in actual fact, it's got to be inside the puzzle. So it's not at the actual edge of the puzzle, it's off to the side. For unique sizes, trim as needed. So, get the knife back. Okay, I'm going to score along there so we can see where we need to go. And then we're just going to trim this along. Through. There we go. So here's my problem. Destroyed the jigsaw. Luckily the pieces are all held together. Okay, so pull that off. Okay, like that. Then supposed to roll the pin. I'm just gonna rub because I don't want to ruin my foil. And I feel the crunch. Okay, so I can get away with using just 2 of these sheets. I don't know if I suppose it is stuck. There might be a slight amount of overlay here. Again, do that bit. Pull that off. Yeah, it's a little bit of overlay, but that's should be fine. Okay. Rolling pin. If you remember rolling pin, use other cylinders like a can of hairspray, empty bottle jar. Oh, use some tin foil. Be firm when rolling. While the adhesive seals the puzzle immediately, the bond will become stronger with time. It is best to let your freshly sealed puzzle sit for a few hours before handling it. After this time, flip the puzzle back over and enjoy. What if I want to cover it in foil? Okay, so I think that's probably ruin my foil. Just remove that piece and that piece. Okay, for science we're going to flip it now. Okay, now you see that? Now, I know it said the bond would grow with time, but that still seems a little bit too flexible if you ask me. It's nice that it's preserved the puzzle, don't get me wrong. But, yeah, don't know. I mean, what do you guys think? It's there, you can see it's still the puzzle. So as you can see on the back, you leave a space around the edges. I'm not sure why that is. I don't know if I'd want to. It's quite flimsy, actually. But we'll put a hanger on it anyway. Let's get one of these off. Like I said, it's quite good that it comes with these hanger things. I didn't know it came with these bits, so it could be hung. If I can pull off the glue. And is it upside down? That's what I normally do. So, I mean, it's worked. Let's get the puzzle together. I'll give it that. It costs £7, I believe, from Amazon. I got it with Amazon Prime, so I didn't have to pay for delivery. Don't know if I'd buy it again though. I don't know why the instructions says 1000 jigsaw puzzle and the box says 2000 double pieces. I'll be asking about that. Why would it say inside? Unless these have come from a 1000 piece. So anyway, there it is, the puzzle saver. Let's grab the box, see what it was actually called. The No Stress No Mess Puzzle Saver by aGreat from Amazon. I'll leave this and see if it gets... Jesus Christ. Like, I mean, that could just be the puzzle, the jigsaw itself that's a bit weak and flimsy, but we'll just leave it flat for a couple of hours and then we'll see what happens. But I think it's probably going to be the same. I can't imagine the glue's going to be able to stick that much better than what it is already. Give it a rub. Well guys, hope you enjoyed that. I'm a little bit annoyed by that, to tell you the truth. It works, but it's not that great. The fact you've got to flip your jigsaw puzzle yourself is a little bit annoying. There should have been something in there, like the box should have opened up to be something that can like go on the puzzle that helps you flip it. So yeah, if you want to get this, build your jigsaw upside down so you can't see the picture, and then it might work. Well guys, we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.